if you could eat only one dish
Huh.
for the rest of your life, what would it be?
I'm gonna have a chicken supreme pizza because I can then separate things. I came to Papa Pancho a long time back. This was the only thing that I probably could afford.
Theatre gets people together. Great bonding happens at rehearsals.
At one point when everybody laughed. So at this point, I get to play God.
अरे भैया तैयारी हो रही है तैयारी क्यों तैयारी हो रही है क्योंकि गुड्डू भैया आ रहे हैं अब गुड्डू भैया कौन है अरे यार गुड्डू भैया मिर्जापुर वाले गुड्डू भैया आ रहे हैं मुझे तो बहुत डर लगता है उनसे क्योंकि उनकी पर्सनालिटी ऐसी डरावनी है थोड़ी सी लेकिन लोग कहते हैं कि बहुत प्यारे हैं तो हम तैयारी कर रहे हैं सब खाने की हम है पापा पैंचो मुंबई में और वेट हो रहा है गुड्डू भैया यानी अली फजल की तो वेट हो रहा है अली फजल का और जब वो आएंगे तो हम पूछेंगे खाने में क्या है So, Ali, one, I'm very happy to have you here. I have to confess that I have watched all your interviews very carefully, and your wife's interviews also.
Those are watched.
Yeah, and she is dynamic
Yeah.
and dynamite in them. And she said one thing which is stuck in my head. She said, Ali के सामने कुछ भी खाना रखो, वो चुपचाप से खा लेता है.
But you know but she's right.
Yeah.
That's a boarding school problem.
Okay.
जो हम भूखे रहते थे.
हाँ.
And you know before हम जब घर में अपने होते हैं when we were all together in our families and you know you have your little tantrums. I don't like this bhaji, I don't like that bhaji. Post my schooling in Dehradun, I have come back and it's been like this breath of fresh air in my house because everybody's like, wow, he likes Karela, he likes, Tinde and Parwal.
Let's just quickly see what is on the table. Start. I know you're hungry.
Okay.
चाप से स्टार्ट करते हैं.
आप सेफ खेल रहे हैं.
मैं
टुक्की तो मारनी पड़ेगी in the okay.
चलो.
I came to Papa Pancho a long time back. This was the only thing that I probably could afford at some point because यहाँ goals में जाता था मैं.
Gym में सामने.
The gym?
When you came to Bombay for the first time, was
Yeah.
Bandra your area?
No, sometimes because I was in Xavier's college.
Okay.
So we would, train it down here. But mostly our chilling used to be in town.
In town. So
All
outside Xavier's, what is your favorite? What are your memories of food outside Xavier's College?
Sunlight.
Sunlight.
No, I'm not. What?
Harvick's and Sunlight. Sunlight, Harvick's.
No, because Furtado's was right there. So all like half our musician friends would be like hanging there. And then,
And even Xavier's had a fabulous canteen
yeah.
with good food in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember there was this Burmese they used to make. And this, this weird like toast sandwich with mixed up omelette karke kuch.
I wasn't at Xavier's. I was behind at JS School of Art. But I had friends in Xavier's. And we used to go there only to eat because the food was very good. So you studied at Doon, but as a Dehradun, but born and brought up Lucknow completely.
Delhi born and then I did a little bit of this thing in Muscat, Oman.
Oh,
Because my dad was
okay, working over there. Yeah.
just like kindergarten types.
Okay.
Then came back and yeah man, this is what I was waiting for.
So how was life in Lucknow?
It's the formative years, so you end up learning like picking up most, like gully cricket, and you get it. Like you have your friends. We used to live in a colony.
Thought of being an actor right at that point of time in your life?
No. But it's funny, right? Like you realize how small things just shape you up. Like it was a religious activity every Saturday or whatever Friday. My mother and I would go watch the movies, like in the theater. तो चिटी चिटी बैंग बैंग randomly play हो रही है. Sound of Music मैंने वहाँ देखी. I think the last one, of course, they would play all the regular English ones, and the last one that played was Mortal Kombat. Before it shut. ये है ना, खेल हो रहा है भाई यहाँ पे.
ये दही और
मतलब टेबल पे जगह नहीं है, पेट में जगह नहीं है, but ये this place is like.
this is the way it should be. Our table should always look like this.
So that's where the movie started featuring in my life. I heard a story about an Italian family, and this was when I was a kid. Mum, they tell you fairy tales or stories or whatever. I heard a story about an Italian family, very cool, in New York, and over time I realized it was told to me in 2 parts. And then I realized it was The Godfather when I grew up. And then I went back and asked my mom, I was like, you actually did that with Aesop's Fables and other stories and हमारी सारी जो
narrated the story of Godfather 1, 2
मुझे अच्छी लगी कहानी तो मैंने सुना दी थी तुम्हें. तुम्हें भी अच्छी लगी? I said, okay, yeah, now I've finally seen The Godfather.
So when did the acting bug sort of hit, if I may call it that?
Like around 10th, 11th class. I broke my arm, like dislocated my arm. I used to play a lot of sports, like basketball, hockey, shot put, triple jump, and all these athletic things. And then one day I was just playing a house match, and we were like crazy because I just remember that visual very clearly, jumping in the air, intercepting a pass, and one guy is, like already in motion. So my hand just got stuck by his face. Body went forward because I was shit. So ये खड़क से निकला.
Dislocate हो गया पूरा.
Full and in a very odd way. So then another season came, like cricket season would come, and I healed it up. And I didn't, physio उतना कहाँ. We were like, dude, get back on the field. Again, I dislocated it.
वो recurring हो जाता है ना वो फिर.
वो recurring होने लगा.
I read somewhere about doing school plays with a little bit of Shakespeare and
Hence the plays
the Tempest.
Yeah.
Hence the play.
Because I couldn't be any good on the sports.
So you go straight from sports field into Shakespeare.
Yeah, straight up.
Quite a jump,
Yeah, it's quite a jump, yeah.
Yeah.
But there was this lovely family there that time from Canada, and they were like this bunch of weird hippies, right? And they came to direct the play, The Tempest. And तो उस चक्कर में उनकी बेटियां थी वहाँ पे. Imagine 500 all boys school, so we're like, suddenly like smitten.
We can see women.
And I mean, well, in a way, but also
just came from an all boys school. I know the feeling.
है ना?
Yeah.
But this was unprecedented, right? Like suddenly in the middle of school, there are these, girls and they're acting. One of them was acting, and so it became this big affair in school. And
Please eat and don't let your food go.
नहीं, for the record, पराठा बहुत गर्म था इसलिए मैं वेट कर रहा था. Yeah, it was nice.
It was enjoyable.
Yeah, it was like sweet school romance.
Sort of, the theatre gets people together. Great bonding happens at rehearsals.
And I remember standing there thinking to myself at one point when everybody laughed, I said, shit, I got them, man. So at this point, I get to play God. Right here, right now, in this moment. I get to control every single twitch on your faces.
Let me sort of turn the conversation back to Lucknow. Lucknow is the sort of capital of great Abhi, North Indian food. There's a great chaat culture also in Lucknow.
Yeah. I wouldn't compare it to maybe Delhi.
Really?
Delhi's the OG, I think.
Okay.
But it's really good. Yeah.
I know you did a bit of theatre, then you did some television. But the first time I saw you and what an impact that role made was Three Idiots. Okay.
Oh.
That small role which you held so well. And I'm not saying this because the role ended dramatically. It's the energy in the strumming of that song that you sang. No, it was that, is that I said, ये साला actor कुछ जबरदस्त actor है, कुछ तो कर रहा है करके.
And I was told not to play the actual chords. At that time, I remember.
Yeah.
And I had to play common chords.
Okay.
Because Raju sir came to me and he said, I want you to sing. And sing like you mean it, And I had learned these chords and I'm like, but I have not learned how to not look at them. Shit. He's like, just belt it out. So anyway, that was that and me going sort of really...
But it must have opened up life, no? That one role?
Yeah. It brought me into, people...
Everybody saw you, noticed you.
Yeah.
And then Mirzapur happens.
Then Mirzapur. Then of course I was kind of dabbling with international stuff. So
No, wait, we'll come to international stuff slowly. But I wanted to talk about Mirzapur because when I saw you in Mirzapur, this is my reaction. Again, you had worked out and you were mean and there was like madness in you and you were, like a tough fellow, which was also very impactful. How do you eat to put on all that weight? First, tell me.
I ate a lot.
Yeah.
And a lot. Like I had to eat because there's only that much you can push in the gym. Like you can't just. But again, that was also for me. It was the first time gymming hard. I had to, and after a point, I said, "Look, listen, I've gotten this size. I've done everything. Now do some makeup and add abs and all. Because you can't possibly. Like.
Don't tell me that you had painted abs. You look quite buffed and all.
No, I was very buff. It was all good muscle.
Uh.
I was lifting some like 200 kilos and stuff.
What is your diet under this? What do you eat? Boiled eggs.
No. Yeah, there was a little joke in the thing, but eggs, meat, good protein, veggies. Also, because it was a very desi bodybuilder.
Yeah.
वहाँ पे क्या है ना हाँ कि आप उस जगह you can't also learn some fancy martial art and walk in and कि वो you can't.
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken, Frankie's chicken in a minute.
Come together with Venky's.
Then one sees you in Victoria and Abdul. You're acting with Dame Judy Dench.
That was so nice. That was good fun. That was good fun.
But
it's so nice for actors, us actors who just when that part comes, and somebody pushes you to kind of go out of
interested
your.
in going out of the country and finding interesting work, or did it just fall into your lap somehow?
No, never. I think I've always kind of been very enamored by old cinema. Like I said, we've grown up on like watching all kinds of cinema, from French, Iranian, American, English, good English comedy. And reading, reading books actually was a very big thing for me, and it came later. But seeing so many books around my house, because there were a lot of readers in the house.
Any good British food? Did you go to pubs? Did you?
I mean, all the time.
Tell us about Judy Dench.
Oh, she's.
Does she eat?
I think she shops.
She shops.
Yeah, she was like a little kid. And she would rehearse because she's also from stage, right? So she would want to like just get the lines out, get that out of the way. Always up for rehearsals. It was my first time, so I was a bit nervous.
Happy, no? That somebody giving you rehearsals.
Yeah, it was amazing. I couldn't have asked for more. Yeah, general, मतलब वहाँ पे they were averaging like all legends. Yeah. Michael Gambon, her, Stephen Frears,
Eddie Izzard, was it?
Eddie, yeah, Eddie was there, and I was like, wow, this was. And I went to one of his shows. We all went. I think during the shoot he performed in Isle of Wight. I mean, उनकी ऐसी कहानियाँ चल रही थी कि वो Michael Gambon is sitting and chatting. I can't remember this movie I did. It's the guy and this boy. He used to make jokes. Jokes all the time. So what? And this actor, I can't remember his name. And then we moved on to another conversation. And then another conversation happens. The Brando. Brando. I'm like, are you kidding me? You're forgetting Brando? You just told a story about Brando. And he's like, And I was like, this is it. This is the bunch of people like I was sitting with for little time in my life. And I thought, wow.
No.
I tried to learn a lot.
I'd be extremely jealous of you to be just able to spend time with.
Hell yeah.
These kind of.
Anybody would. I mean, I would be. Like,
and I'm trying to veer the conversation back to food because that is what.
Sorry. Food ठंडा हो रहा है.
कोई बात. So, coming back to spending time in England, longest schedule, you're staying there, just also going into English countryside. Did you have any sort of eye-opening food experiences there? Or did you miss your Indian food, which is available everywhere?
No, but I really missed it.
Yeah?
I really missed it. There were no Indian restaurants I was enjoying there. Unless they were the hoity-toity ones, which I would not have maybe access to. So I would land up at a Sri Lankan restaurant. So that was the closest to like some,
Spice
and Kerala food that I would get.
So let's talk of home now. You have a new baby. You feed her. Do you do everything? Nappy change, all that?
Yeah, I mean, I'm on the ball.
Full hands-on dad.
You gotta be to enjoy my time again with my wife. Because I have to steal her in moments when she's kind of normalized and and chilling and relaxed, so that we can get out on our old dates.
Correct.
Yeah.
It's a really unusual name.
Zunaira.
And what does it mean? And or is it or have you put together to what?
No, nothing like that.
Zunaira is a
It's a legit name. It's an old, origin name, and means a flower in the paradise. I mean, if you want to really put a meaning to it.
Nice.
But, I suppose,
meanings are good.
yeah, meanings are good. I suppose they stick, and names stick, and the sound of it sticks. And I think it's more about the sound because for us, rhythm is a big thing in the family. For us, music is very, sort of sacrosanct. So the sound was more important than any auspicious thing or any like meaning and words. And words bring you down, right? Like sort of close you in. So, but yeah, it's a legit name. Of course, our go-to name is Zuni, so we keep putting
That's going to happen.
Yeah. So.
And she'll have a story to tell when people ask her what her name means when she's older. And also, flower in paradise is. Otherwise, at home, do you cook at all?
Oh, sometimes, sorry, I don't want to announce
So you
it.
can cook.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Lovely.
Man's got to cook. Man's got to know how to cook. No, we know. Yeah.
And what's your sort of go-to? If you were, say, आज का खाना तू बना, तो क्या बनाओगे?
आज का ऐसा नहीं होता है, but those moments in a week, maybe one day I want to make like yakhni pulao. So then I'll make or
Listen, my number you have, no? My number आपके पास है ना?
I'll send you.
मैं आ जाऊँ. Yakni pulao. Call me. I'll come.
I'll call you, come home.
Yeah.
In fact, best.
Yeah. I'll
Come home. Then I'll make proper. We'll make some kebabs.
Nice.
And cholas are amazing. Risha makes them really well. Or कभी Italian हो गया. Italian's easy. So everybody can make it. No, but we like making the gnocchis. Like, so you got to knead it and make it proper. You don't buy that shit from. Yeah.
So use potato and all
proper.
that. The sauces also you make it at home.
Sauces, the marinara, I make at home. Like fresh tomatoes and fresh, you make it.
Nice.
Right there. With a little, it's a bit of a crime scene in the kitchen after that.
As long as there's
like
somebody cleaning up that kitchen afterwards.
नहीं अपन लोग को ही करना पड़ता है. What is Bombay tea? What is this अदरक चाय?
So,
अदरक चाय नॉर्थ में होता था जब तबीयत खराब होती थी.
हाँ, लेकिन
अदरक डाल दो बेटा.
तो यहाँ चाय
This is default.
पकती है ये. दूध और डाल के उबाल.
Why is that little chul that comes in? अदरक डाल दिया, वो डाल दिया,
पुदीना डाल दिया.
हाँ, कुछ एक डालता है वो. और पाली हिल पे जाओ तो लेमन ग्रास मिलेगा. महंगा लेकिन डालेगा कुछ.
But
मत डाल.
it's a Gujarati thing because you get chai masala, na?
Yeah,
You can put chai masala inside the chai.
Yeah. Leave chai alone. Just give me plain chai. And then,
But I like lemongrass.
Exactly. There you go. Bombay, no? I'm telling.
Lemongrass or pudina thoda sa.
Yeah, everybody. It's not a bad thing. It's just, now it's
And then there's the Irani chai, which is like,
Oh, that top chai.
it's like literally like basundi. इतनी शक्कर जाती है उसमें और वो उबाल के दूध पिंक हो जाता है सब.
Yeah.
That's how.
There's also Kashmiri chai, pink.
Yes.
You get in Lucknow during winters.
Yes.
Pink, like baby
Yeah.
pink. Beautiful.
And they also make a salted chai.
हाँ, उसी का salted version होता है, उसी का मीठा version होता है, उसमें वो बलाई डाल के thick, and
फिर वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में बटर डाल के बनाता है चाय.
हाँ, butter भी होती है. Yeah. Which is so funny because now in the gyms they are putting butter in coffee.
This is what.
Ghee in coffee. It's bullet coffee, bulletproof. हाँ वही.
Yeah.
I think it's the soldiers thing. These short things would happen when wars would happen.
Weathers and energy
Yeah.
and all that,
Conserve.
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken. Frankie's chicken in minutes.
Come together with Drankies.
Let's talk about upcoming interesting work that you're doing. Thug Life.
Oh, आ गया.
But working with Kamal Hassan.
Oh, that was amazing. More than that, also Mani Ratnam.
Yes.
I really wanted to. It's the first time working in
In the South.
Tamil cinema. Small role, very small, but I'm not used to that because all industries have started with this one little thing. So I think it's almost auspicious now that even in Hollywood I started like that with a small role in Fast and Furious and on 3 Idiots here.
The fact that you have,
In the South is this, hopefully getting me more work there.
But do you like the long form?
No.
You don't like the long
Personally, I get a little.
So is it the commitment or is it keeping that character going for a long time that sort of
I'm scared I get bored of myself.
very possible. Very
I don't
possible.
know. Just like I don't ever want to get into that zone where you're just doing it, Get up in the morning and you're gonna do something for the heck of it. I think it's so fascinating. I love it. It's like being back in Toys R Us or something. You know, fascinated every day.
New things to do.
And that's cinema for me. Like I feel like a kid. So I'm always scared that long form suddenly somewhere down the line I will like get repetitive or mechanical or so that's what I run from. So I mean, of course, it doesn't happen. I think we're doing amazing stuff here, but stupid
Yeah,
tick is
in
there.
your head. Yeah. And Mirzapur, another season?
We're doing the film.
Oh, yes, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, the film.
Yeah, we've announced kind of like what Peaky Blinders did in the West. So it's interesting. It could work. Let's see. We're very excited.
Nice scripts turned out good.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Riveting.
Like the OG cast is
yeah.
there. So yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Great. I mean, best of luck with everything you're doing. I thank you for coming and joining us for this meal, considering the poor man has slept at 5 in the morning.
Yeah, kind of. Sorry, that's why I was late, but
Yeah.
you know, that's why I'm kind of like this
Sniffling around.
sniffling around, but I'll be fine.
No, still, we're just happy to have you. Yeah.
Thank you.
थोड़ा खाने के बारे में सोए आपके बारे में थोड़ा इंटेलिजेंट कॉन्वर्सेशन थोड़ा फनी सब कुछ होगा
बट कभी सच में होगी तो मैं बना के भेजूंगा आपको फुर्सत होगी तो मैं बनाता हूँ
डन आई विल हैप्पीली
Yeah.
एक्सेप्ट इट